Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of mobile home accessories, and we've got something special lined up for you.
If you're looking for the best porch steps for your mobile home, look no further.
I'm your host, and this is Product Critique.
Introducing the Kinchoix 4-step RV stairs with handrail.
These aren't your average porch steps, folks.
They're sturdier, wider, and significantly safer than standard pull-out or folding steps.
Ideal for long-term applications where your RV or camper will be stationary for a period of time.
These steps provide a stable platform for easy access.
Let's talk durability.
With triangular bars to stabilize the steps, reduce wobbling, and the risk of falling during use, these steps are built to last. The thickened 2mm step panel, along with a lower beam for support, ensures a sturdy foundation. In fact, these steps can withstand up to 300 pounds, meaning they can carry the weight of 2 people at once with ease. But safety doesn't stop there. Each step is equipped with anti-slip skid tape, providing extra traction and stability, even in wet conditions.
This means you can confidently step in and out of your RV without worrying about slipping or sliding. Now, let's talk dimensions.
With a total height of 20 inches and a top platform measuring 27 by 16 inches, these steps provide ample space for comfortable entry and exit.
Plus, with stair rise increments of 7 inches, you'll find these steps easy to navigate. And let's not forget about the assist handrail.
Each handrail can be disassembled into 3 parts for easy storage. Designed with convenience in mind, these handrails provide added support and stability, making your RV experience safer and more enjoyable.
So, there you have it, folks.
The Kinchoix 4-step RV stairs with handrail. Whether you're a full-time RVer or just looking to upgrade your mobile home porch, these steps are sure to impress.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy camping!